Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video I'm going to wrap up the shampoo and conditioners from iWori, and I do want to make a bit of correction. I have two other videos out on my channel using the Marula line as well as the Baobab line, and I kept saying that it's a Namibian brand. I read it somewhere, can't remember where, but on the packaging it is from South Africa, made in South Africa. Again, I stand corrected on that, but today I'm going to talk about the last two lines from the iWori line. Today you're going to see me talk about the ROOIBOS line, and I'm also going to talk about the Mongogo line. But before we get into this chit chat, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. As I said, I do have other videos on the Marula line as well as the Baobab line. Check it out, and I'm just going to do a quick wrap up. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to talk very quickly. In my hands I have the Mongogo line, and I'm going to start off with the shampoo. This is the Mongogo Organic African Mongogo Sulfate Free Shampoo, and it promises repairing and strengthening, and it also says on the packaging it strengthens, restores and protects. It's for dry and damaged hair. Now when I use this shampoo here, this is a strengthening shampoo, so I did find that it left my hair a little stripped but not dry. I like the consistency. Overall, I think the Marula consistency for me is the worst. It's way too thick. It doesn't come out very nicely. This strengthening shampoo that I used here had a bit of a co-wash type of consistency like the Baobab line that I spoke about. My hair didn't feel dry after I rinsed it out, but I did feel like it was just a little bit stripped. It is a strengthening shampoo, so I wasn't surprised about that at all. In terms of cleansing my hair, it did a very good cleanse. It did help to strengthen my hair as well. So overall, I think that this is an okay shampoo. When it comes to the conditioner, this is also thick. They have different colors as well. All the conditioners in the iWori line seem to have a bit of that browny kind of color. But with the conditioner, this is silicone free, that says on here. And again, all these products contain on the packaging here, no silicones, no sulfates and so forth. I'll put that in the description as well. But this conditioner is a repairing and strengthening conditioner, and it also promises to strengthen, restore and protect, and it's for dry and damaged hair. As a conditioner, it did an okay job. This left my hair a bit dry. This didn't really for me and my type of hair kind of compensate for the dryness. Overall, it just did an okay job as a conditioner. Nothing really amazing, but again, this is a repairing and strengthening conditioner, so whatever it delivered on my hair, I was fine with it. I like the consistency of this. I think that it's an okay line. If you're looking for something to strengthen your hair, I think it will do an okay job. Not the absolute best for me, but it is just kind of average. Now I'm going to move on to the ROOIBOS line, and I have with me the shampoo. This is the ROOIBOS Organic African ROOIBOS Sulfate Free Detoxing and Purifying Shampoo. It promises gentle cleansing, detoxes and conditions. It's for all hair types and with build-up. Now I like the consistency. This is the best consistency, you know, in terms of the entire iWori line. I like the way it came out of the bottle. This a little goes a long way. I used very little, but this took forever to rinse out of my hair. This is the downfall of this product for me, is it just takes forever. This, unlike any of the shampoos, does foam up, and because it is something that promises to purify and to detox, I wasn't surprised by the foaming up. It foams up quite a bit. It doesn't have a co-wash consistency like the other shampoos in the line. Use very little. I have a lot of hair, but this just took forever, like almost 5 minutes. Like I was under the tap for such a long time trying to get all of the foam out. It cleansed amazing because of all of the foam. It does a really nice cleanse. As I'm sitting here, I did wash my hair with it. My hair doesn't feel like extra purified or like build-up has been released, nothing like that. But I mean, if I'm looking for a really good cleanse out of the entire iWori line, I will pick up this. It cleans nicely. I think if you build-up, it will be something that you will like as well. When it came to the conditioner, it was a bit thick for me, but it was okay overall. It's silicone free, and it promises to gently detoxify and condition. It's for all hair types, and it's for build-up. And this is the ROOIBOS line as well. It just did an okay job. My hair did not feel stripped after using this at all. My hair felt a little bit more stripped from using the Mongogo line than it did from the actual ROOIBOS line. Overall, okay. I think that out of the Mongongo and ROOIBOS, I might just take the shampoo just for the cleanse, but I know I'm gonna have to really rinse it out. Conditioner was okay. And this wraps up my thoughts on, the entire iWori shampoo and conditioner. I hope you enjoyed my thoughts on, sharing the Mongongo as well as the ROOIBOS line. I haven't done the hair masks yet. I will do that in the future. I'm not kind of sure when I am. I think I personally do need a bit of a break from iWori, but I did enjoy trying out the entire line of shampoo and conditioners. It was very, very interesting for me, and I know you guys enjoyed it as well, with all the hype surrounding the iWori brand in South Africa. So these are just my final thoughts on these two right here. Thanks for watching me and joining me in this video, and I will see you again. Take care.